High precision and fast inflation. The tire inflator uses 19 mm large cylinder and high power and high intensity magneto enable superfast inflation. With maximum pressure 150 psi. It can air up a car flat tire in 8.5 minutes or a mountain bike flat tire in just 129 seconds. HOTO Practical Tire Inflator can surely help you handle emergencies. Safety protections and 5 modes, multiple safety protections ensuring worry-free use. High precision digital pressure measuring and auto stop. Enabled by 0.1 bar accurate digital tire pressure measuring technique, the inflator will auto stop when reaching preset pressure, thus avoiding overinflation. Wide application within 5 modes, ball, bike, car, motorbike, and customized mode. USB Type-C charging port and lithium-ion battery. The built-in 2500 mAh high-capacity batteries allow for inflating 2.5 tires if fully charged.